As our company's independent research and development technology is becoming mature, we launched the Precise AI Alert products with 6 smart functions, provide you with more comprehensive services. Now, let's show you area intrusion and setting course. When IP camera detects person who is entering in a pointed area, it will trigger alarm.
Personal belongings do not touch. Please leave as soon as possible.
Setting tutorial, configuration, alarm management, intelligent events. Select the channel. Select area intrusion. Click enable. Click the erase to clear existing detection area. Draw new detection area. Set sensitivity and target type. Click setting of camera light alarm. Click enable. Choose the suitable duration and time. Click confirm. Click setting of camera sound alarm. Click enable. Select the number of play, audio and arming time. Click confirm after setting. Click setting of arming time. Arming according to requirement. Click confirm. Click setting of linkage mode. Setting linkage configuration. Click confirm. Click save. Kindly prompt enable area intrusion, automatic shutdown loitering. Click confirm. Click exit after showing finish save. Back to preview.